Hi lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching. So if you've been visiting this page, you must have seen the pictures of the dress I'm holding, right? So I made this dress for a 6 years old, right, for her birthday. It is a gown and a detachable skirt. So this is the detachable part that I'm holding. So I'm to take her to the studio for her photo shoot for her 6th birthday. So here what is left is just for me to package the dress because I'm already done with everything, sewing and what have you. So it's just for me to package it, and I say let me film this before I go. So here I'm already with Nneamaka. So we storm the Roban store to buy cake, balloon for her photo shoot. So she decided I should buy ice cream for her. I said no, let's go and pick one or two first before the ice cream. So we have already ordered cake, so while we wait for the cake we decided to shop other things. So here she picked number 6 because she's 6 years old. So I'm here with my sis. Sorry, I forgot to mention. So this is my sister, and that's Nneamaka showing her number 6, representing her age. So this is the balloon for her. So after this, we okay, I think she wanted to pick some biscuits and stuff. So she started shopping, children's stuff, biscuits, sweets, and what have you. My sister was helping her select biscuits. She was so excited that she's doing this. Like, the funny thing about her shopping is that she'll pick and pick for her friends. So here we are at the pay point, about to pay. She went on and picked mentors. So this is us leaving with her cake and bag, and behind the camera I was holding some of her bags. So we head on to the studio. So as we wait for her turn, she decided to eat her ice cream. So this is her cake. Nneamaka is 6, right? So she's enjoying her ice cream. She was so excited. So it gets to her turn. She moved into the studio to take her pictures. So as the photographer was, taking pictures of her, I was making short videos, okay? So I'll be able to send to her mom and dad, right? So this is my baby, feeling like a princess that she is. She so much loved this dress. So just in case you would love us to make something like this for your baby girl, be it her birthday, be it her graduation, or little bright, right? You can contact us and you can show us your style and we'll make a replica of it. If you still want something like this, we can still make it happen for you. So this is Nneamaka photographer. The guy is showing professionalism because from time to time he will just come and style Nneamaka, and I just love that about him, unlike some photographers that will just be there, but the guy, he knows his thing though. So this is Nneamaka seated, but we didn't collect any of this picture. Seems like the cake was heavy. She was trying to hold on to it. Yeah, Nneamaka is 6. This is my baby girl. The photographer asked her to use the telephone, pose as if she's inviting all her friends for her birthday. She was so happy, so excited. She was like, what is happening? She's feeling herself. So again, remember that this gown is detachable. Here she's putting it on with the skirt part, right? See my baby girl now feeling herself. Oh shit. She been a person picking be this one. See beauty. See beauty. So you can wear this dress in 2 ways, with the detachable skirt or without the detachable skirt. So this is it here. She wasn't putting on the detachable skirt here. So whichever one you want, we can make it happen for you. So guys, moving on. Here she's already done with her photo shoot, and we are here at the system to select. This is basically every picture she took, but we have to select few. If you carry everything na your money oh. So we had to select just few of her pictures, right? So scrolling, just checking it out. So after making selections, we paid. We even have to pay for emergency because we wanted the picture to come out the same day, as tomorrow is her birthday already. So we even had to pay for emergency just to make sure that her pictures are out at the right time. So this is it about Nneamaka's 6th birthday, and these are the pictures we selected. See my baby. So if you want us to make something like this for you, send us a message on WhatsApp. We are in Oka, Anambra State, Nigeria. See you guys. Bye.